Claire, what are you eating?
Ice cream.
Ice cream for your
Birthday.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Isla, can you say happy birthday?
Mom, we forgot to say the happy birthday song today.
What do you mean? We sang it twice just now.
No.
Yeah, we
Happy
did.
birthday.
Can you sing it now?
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Claire. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Clap, 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 everybody. Clap, 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 clap.
Thank you, Dada.